Hey, Pallav with you from Affiliate Success Hub, and in this particular video we are going to learn how to drive solo ads traffic to clickbank offers that converts into commissions. You might have heard that ClickBank is the #1 affiliate marketing network in the world. And in a moment from now, I'm going to not only showcase to you how to drive solo ads traffic to ClickBank offers that converts into commissions, but also I'm going to show you one of my personal funnels that has been making me consistent commissions with ClickBank offers. Also, for staying with me in this particular video, I have a special bonus giveaway for you. So let's begin. Alright, so before we show the subject of this particular video, now let me ask you that do you have any idea about solo ads and how solo ads traffic works? If you don't have, no worries, I have made a video in detail about solo ads traffic which you can watch by clicking the I button. But I'm going to give you a simple 1 or 2 line brief about solo ads traffic. Solo ad traffic is basically your ability to directly advertise your business or promote your offers to another existing email marketer's email list or their pre-existing email list. In technical term, that is known as subscribers. So that's the way the solo ads works. Basically, we pay them some money and in return they send emails to their subscribers list. Alright, so their existing subscribers, they can then click on that offer, they can subscribe to our list now, and if they want, they can purchase the offer. So we are leveraging their existing email marketing list in our specific niche, and that's what in technical term known as solo ads. So what I'm going to see over here that how we can leverage those solo ads to drive traffic to ClickBank offers and make commissions from there. So let's first go to ClickBank offer. Let's quickly see how to pick up an offer from ClickBank. So what I'm going to do, go to marketplace. Now, as I mentioned in the video in the beginning, that ClickBank is the #1 affiliate marketplace in the whole world. All right, and that's why if you go to ClickBank, you can see there are a lot of niches out there, specific niches like art and entertainment, as seen on TV, gardening, cooking, make money online, gaming. All the niches are there. But for our niches, which is make money online, let's go to e-business, and then what we can do, we can sort results by gravity. That means offers which are converting the best. In simple terms, they will be popped up for us above. And let's say I want to promote this offer because I already have promoted this offer, as you can see over here. What I need to do is click on the promote link and generate hop links. Once we do that, now this is going to be our affiliate link which is specific to us. So anybody clicks on this link and make a purchase, we will be making a commissions for the same. Okay, so you just copy this. Now if you make a sale from that, and if you go to the report later on, like I'm showing you over here, you can then see all the transactions and all the paychecks which has generated from for your link, just like that. You can see the sales, you can see the orders per impression, you can see every report because your link is specific to that. So you can see everything like that over here for a specific time period or for any moment of time. You can see that. So if I just change this, let's say I go back to a few months, and if I just refresh that, I can see all the transactions which have happened from my link. So it's very specific, very nicely everything is done for you. Now let's understand that how we can set up the entire thing, or in technical terms how we can set up the funnel for this offer, so that like I mentioned in the video before, so it can, the solo ad traffic can convert for leads and sales for us. So for doing that, I will be using my famous whiteboard. So this is what we called our CP or capture page. Okay, so your traffic, let's say your solo ad traffic comes from here. Let's just give it a name T. So your traffic comes from here, it goes to the capture page where there is a box which says to the visitor that subscribe by entering your email ID, and here are some headlines. Okay, very simple, some headlines. Then there is an email capture box, and then if they subscribe, then where they go is known as the sales page. The headline, there are testimonials, there are video or VSLs, there are proofs, whatever we can think of. This is known as your sales page. Okay, and if they make a purchase, they'll be shown other sales pages which are known as the OTOs or the upsell pages. All right, this is how the funnel works. So the traffic comes to the capture page if they enter their email ID or name and email ID, the way you set it up, which I'm going to show it to you in a while. It goes to the sales page. If they make a purchase, they will be shown the OTOs. If they don't make a purchase, you still have the subscribers over here. So let me write over here subscribers. So then you can promote other offers or this offer to the subscribers for a period of time, let's say 7 to 10 days. This is how the entire funnel works. All right, and you can of course build a funnel with capture page, then it goes to the bridge page where you can do them, you can give them some bonuses, or you can show them your own video. However, in my experience, in order to make it work for everybody, plus the click funnel, the clickbank pages are proven to convert. They know how to convert the pages. If you send the right traffic to the funnel, it automatically converts. There is no need to go through the hassle of creating a bridge page or recording a video, especially for a newbie. No need to give a lot of bonuses also. Still it's going to convert for you. All right, that's the important part, because the pages are built with a lot of utmost care. A lot of high quality copywriters are there, so don't need to bother about building a bridge page or bonus pages. All right, so this is how the funnel works. Now what I'm going to show you, one of the pages like I mentioned to you. Now let's say this is one of the pages which is proven to convert for any kind of make money online offer, which says that, are you struggling to make money online? You can change the logo according to whatever you're promoting, of course. Then it says that you are literally forced to make money inside whether you like it or not. Now whenever you are designing any specific capture page, your intention is to raise the curiosity of the visitors, right, without giving away too much information. So if you look at this page, the way I designed it, it is actually raising the curiosity bar of the user by saying that you are literally forced to make money inside, so they'll be very much inclined to see what is there inside, right? And the best part is that this page can be used for any kind of affiliate offer, because this is a generic offer. Plus, when you're designing the page, it should not be having a lot of clutter. That means many people will make pages with headlines, a lot of sub headlines, and they'll use some images. Not required. Make it as transparent, as clear as possible. Now usually I prefer only email ID. Why? Because the less you ask for, the better it is for you. The more information you ask from them, the chances are they're not going to put them. All right, that's the reason why I simply ask for email ID. It converts the best, and then once they enter there, you can take them to any specific sales pages. Now what I'm going to do also, let me quickly build a page in front of you. So I'm using InstaBuilder, which is, you can get InstaBuilder license from fiverr.com for just $5. If you have an existing page builder like Lead Pages, Kartra or ClickFunnels, it's best. But for this purpose, this kind of pages do work great. So I'm going to select a squeeze page over here, and let me select any particular template. Let's say let me select let's select this one. Okay, so I just selected the template. It's going to load in over here. Then what I'm going to do, if you want, you can change the logo to whatever product you're promoting, but for our purpose, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to change this to my own specific headline. I'm just going to make it headline 2, looking big and nice and bold, whether you like it or not. All right, this is nice. this is all good. I will not use download the report. I'll in fact use opt-in form button, and over here you can get the inbuilt buttons, which is a pre-made button. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this one. Okay, I'm going to save this. So this part is done. Now next part over here, I'm going to be entering my HTML code. If you're using any specific autoresponder like AWeber get response, simply enter your HTML code and process it. This part looks fine, and once you do that, it will be sent to your specific offer as well. Okay, so you can see, and of course you need to process it if you're using this particular funnel. So you can see that in less than 2 minutes how easy to build your own opt-in page or funnel for a ClickBank offer. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to set the page. I'm going to remove all this. I'm going to give the product name over here. And also one more thing, what I want to do is change the permalink to the offer. Let's say I'm promoting this offer, Click to Wealth. So I'll give this a name of Click to Wealth so I can remember this in the future. And now this is going to be my name of the offer. And then after you put your code from the autoresponder, just publish the page. That's it. And boom, you can see a brand new capture page and funnel is being built for you. All right, how cool is that? This is looking specifically good for your offer. And as I told you, as I shared with you, it literally takes a few seconds in order to build this kind of a page starting from the scratch. Okay, so that's it from this particular video. I believe that you understood that how to pick up an affiliate offer from ClickBank and how to make sure that the offers converts for you and the offers converts into commissions by creating a specific funnel for the offer without requiring to make jazzy bridge pages and bonuses and all this kind of stuff. And this stuff works, guys. Give it a try. You'll be more than happy to see the results. Plus you're building your email list for the future. So if you love this particular content, feel free to like the video in order to encourage me in the future. Plus feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that every time I upload a video in YouTube, you get an instant notification inside your email inbox. And I have some good news for you. As I mentioned in the beginning, I have a special bonus for you. Down below the video, either in the description or in the comment section, you'll be seeing a link to my groundbreaking 10K per month affiliate marketing system, which you can get for completely free of cost. All right. Plus, in the next video, I am going to showcase to you how to build a huge email subscribers list without having a big budget. So stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video.